From the land of the rising sun, Alusi Pablo reporting. Since this my popular video is going viral again, let me add something to it, spice it. How do you bury your father with a cow? Firstly, you have to bear in mind that the spirits that own a person are ndị nna ochie na ndị ikwu ụmụnna na ndị nwada or ụmụ in some places. To qualify for the above, you need to give a cow to Umunna. Umunna are the spirits that represent Ndiichie, right? It's not by killing 50 cows on the burial day to be enjoyed by unrelated externals, but rather that you give cows to Umunna. This revolves around the principle now, Ojiruo Amalebosi, a core Igbo spirituality principle, not to be overlooked. Ojiruo Amalebosi. When my uncle Akuni was buried, the Umunna got a cow, even the Wadian present got a share. So after the burial, they shared the cow. Now these kindred spirits, these Umunna, these Ndiichie in today's age, will return to their various Obi and bear witness that they came back from this man's Obi with cow meat. So now his Ezumezu, of which Umunna is involved, Ndiichie, will accord this man his rights. Any other thing you do with cow besides this is enjoyment. Party keko. And double no onye meti ifi. Oh no onye ichie no wa kekwa without ifi. And email ya party. Highest 10-15 years oga 1 half. Always you can losing at 10-15 years. No more a better nowadays. From the land of the rising sun, Alusi Pablo reporting. Thanks for watching.
Na Amadu Yale.